Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we empower you with valuable insights on entrepreneurship. So in this video, I am going to explore 6 business ideas that you can start in Kenya with only 1,000 Kenya shillings. So whether you're looking for a side hustle or you want to become, a entrepreneur, these ideas are gonna work for you. They are gonna make you profit. So guys, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get started. Number one is about selling mobile phone accessories. You can start a small business of selling mobile phone accessories like phone covers, screen protectors, and chargers. And the good thing about them is that they don't require that huge amount of money to buy. For instance, you can buy a charger for only like 100 shillings and you sell for 200 shillings. You can buy for a phone cover for 50 shillings and you sell for 200. You can buy a let's say like earphones for 50 shillings, you sell for 150 or 200. So you can see the amount of money that is required is not huge, and the profit that you are expecting is quite high. Then the next thing is that you can be able to market your business online, maybe via TikTok, Facebook, or WhatsApp. So you have every opportunity to make this business work for you. 2 is the fruit vending business. With the trend whereby people like living healthy, they want to have good health and to have a balanced diet. Eating fruits and juices is quite a good business. So you need to start your fruit vending business. You can start from home. You make the fruits, the fruit juice, and then you sell in your estate, or you can go to a nearby market and you just sell from outside. So it's a very simple business, and it only requires very available ingredients. Like you can go to a food market, buy these fruits, and then you come and sell. So, and the good thing is that you don't require any license for this business to start, especially in Kenya. Number 2 is cleaning services. You can offer cleaning services for home or businesses. And with 1,000 shillings, you only need to buy basic cleaning materials like detergents and brushes and mops. This 1,000 is enough for you to buy all these items. Then you'd advertise your business locally. You can tell your friends, and then your friends will tell other friends. You can print some flyers where you distribute to your neighborhood where you want to target your customers. So it's a very simple business, but in the long run it can really become a big business where it grows and serves so many customers countrywide. There are so many people who have started this business, and they are quite growing. So you can start it. I have a cleaning business called Corporate Cleaning Inc. You can check me on Instagram. It's a nice and a thriving business. So try it and see what it can do for you. Number 4 is homemade snacks production. You can start small, producing snacks like mandazi, chapati, and other snacks that can be consumed from home, and you sell to your neighborhoods. For instance, you can prepare mandazi and chapati, and then you also accompany with the coffee, and then you distribute around and you make some money. So just create some cookies, some crepes, and just sell locally, and you can be able to make good money from it. Business number 5 is freelance writing and graphic design. You can write articles, you can write academic paperwork for clients within the country and outside. I have done this business. It is very paying, lucrative enough, and you only need a laptop and internet, strong internet, where you can be able to browse and do research. So you can try it. So long as you're good in writing, you can be able to type like 1,000 words in, let's say, like 2 hours. You can be able to do that research. The good thing is that with internet, you can be able to do any research that you want, and you'll be able to access all the information, and you write, and you proofread. So you produce quality work. There are so many people who are willing to pay you for your writing. So do the writing, Graphic design is also coming up and it's really paying. You can do logos, you can do flyers, you can do brochures for advertising, and it's gonna pay you handsomely. So try these businesses, they are gonna make you good money. Business number 6, and my favorite, is poultry farming. You can do poultry farming from your estate. You just make a small makeshift where you can be able to keep your chicken. Alternative, you can do it from home, you know, in the village, where you can be able to have a big space where you can be able to rear chicken, quails, and you know, you'll be able to sell eggs. Like right now, eggs, they are like gold. The price have gone really high, so you can be able to sell eggs, you sell chicken, and you know, make good money out of it. And you know, the only thing you need is a feed and a vaccination. So if you can be able to create some time and do this business, it can really pay you. Like especially when you have festive season, the prices really go up, and you can be able to, you know, make good money out of it. I've seen someone who is rearing a 1-month-old chicken and sell it at 200, I think 290. So you can see in 1 month's time, when you buy a chick for 100 shillings and then you rear it for another 1 month, you're making a profit of like 100 shillings. And you know, if you are selling like, let's say 100 chicken times 100, that's how much good money. So you can try this business and it's gonna work for you. That's it, guys. The 6 business ideas that you can be able to start with 1,000 shillings. You can see that they don't require so much capital, and you can do it from home. And you know, with time you grow the business, and you know, you pick up, and at some time you'll be able to, you know, grow the business and become a big venture. So guys, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and guys, comment below, let me know what you think about this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video.